Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 essay stream. This is question number 61 of part 2 from the topic number system. Question says, what is the sum of all natural number n such that the product of the digits of n in the base 10 is equal to n square minus 10n minus 36? And options are A 12, B 13, C 124 and D 2612. Now to solve this question, let us understand that my number n could be one digit or two digit or maybe higher digit. But in all scenarios, please understand the product of digits has to be less than n if n is two or more digit number. Why I am saying so? Let us understand this through one example. Suppose my n is two digit number. Let us say n is AB, which we write as 10A plus B. Okay. Now if I remove this B from here, this number will be greater than or equal to 10A. Okay. And this B has to be from 1 to 9 only, or from 0 to 9 only. So I think this 10 into A product will be greater than B into A. You can see, because this B is between 9 and 0. So you can see this two digit number 10A plus B will be greater than the product of the two digits. That is what I have written. Product of digits is less than n. You can check it for three digit number also. Like if three digit number is there, it will be 10A, 100A plus 10B plus C. This I can write as greater than or equal to 100A. If B and C both are 0, then it will be an equality. Otherwise it will be strict inequation. And once again, because B and C would be between 0 to 9, so this product has to be greater than B into C into A, because this C comma B, they both should be between 9 and 0. So one thing that we have proved here is that product of digits which they are using in this question should be less than n, number one. Number two, if n is one digit number, then I think this product they are talking about, product of digit would be equal to n itself. Okay, so let us do this question for two separate cases. So my first case is that n is one digit. Okay, in this case we can see this product will be equal to n itself, and it is given that it is n square minus 10n minus 36. So we will write this as n square minus 10n minus 36 is equal to n. This gives me a quadratic n square minus 11n minus 36 is equal to 0. If we simplify it, we can see that it has no integral solutions. No integer solutions. It can be checked by seeing that D is also not perfect square, and otherwise also you can check there is no integral solutions for this quadratic. That means there is no there is no chance that we have one digit number to satisfy this given condition. Okay, now coming to case 2. Case 2, when n is 2 or more digit number. In that case, this product n square minus 10n minus 36 should be less than n, as we have proved earlier. So this will become an inequation n square minus 11n minus 36 less than 0. Okay, now you can see it is upward parabola having minimum value at 11 by 2. Okay, so if I put two digit number for n, it will be giving you higher value as we move from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. And we can see this is positive for n is equal to 14, and it is negative for n is equal to 13. It can be checked very easily. We can take n common from first two terms, so it will be n into n minus 11. So for 14, it becomes 14 into 3, 42 minus 36, so it is positive. But for 13, it will be 13 into 2, 26 minus 36, so it will be negative. So we can say for this inequation, n can be 10, 11, 12 or 13 only. So for all numbers which are 2 or more digits, because we need to satisfy this inequation, so here only possible values of n are 10, 11, 12 or 13. Now if we go one by one, for n is equal to 10, we can see product of digits will be 0, whereas putting n is equal to 10 will not make this as 0. Okay, similarly if I put n is equal to 11, then product of digits will be 1, whereas putting n is equal to 11 doesn't give us 1 here. Similarly for 12, but if we do it for 13, you can check it easily that if we put 13, the product of digits should be 3, and if we put 13 here, it is actually giving us this expression to be 3. So 13 should be the only answer. So that is the only answer. Okay, so they are asking sum of all natural number n, for which product of digits of n is equal to this quadratic. So answer should be 13. So answer here is B. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.